Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to episode 16 of the Booze News. The news that you can use. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a very nice, sweet little drink for you called the Peach Queen. I hope you enjoy it. Please remember, always drink responsibly. If you can't drink responsibly, please drink with responsible people. And I have to beg your forgiveness for this episode. My cameraman lost the footage of us actually putting the drink together. But I will tell you what we put in it, how much we put in it. We do have the taste test and the shaking of the ingredients together. So please forgive me. We will do better next time. Thank you and enjoy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I beg your forgiveness. The cameraman lost the footage of us putting the drink together, but it's very simple. It's one shot of vodka. Then you go about 3/4 the way up on your glass with the Fresca. And you put 2 splashes of the peach liqueur and give it a good shake. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this drink here was definitely a winner. We give it about a 12 out of 10. You definitely want to try this one. Very easy to make, very cheap to make. Loved it. But hey, don't take my word for it. Here is this episode's celebrity judge to tell you what they think about it.
Well, Mr. Paul, I must say, this is awesome. I think that's my new drink.